Hello guys, this is our car, peuqeot 306.
Yes.
Diesel oil engine, and we have a problem with the low pressure
Pump.
fuel pump. So we have to find the fuel pump, which is on the back seat on the right side of the car, somewhere here. Yeah. All right. So let's start removing the old one. Old pump. This looks like cables. Cables are not so good. Oh shit. Beautiful French engineering. Yeah. I'm using the big screwdriver and small one to remove to press the button here and remove the hose, and also right side like that. Fuel will come, but not so much. So and here is the nut. Yeah, around you have to remove this nut.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. I'm using the hand, but you can use the hammer. You see, it's already moving. Moving. Peugeot 306. Beautiful car.
Beautiful French engineering.
Unbelievable.
You can see bad condition of the car.
Yes, it's like that. This is not bad condition. This is like a tragedy. We couldn't start the engine. One time we started, one time not. This pump started giving a failure, and decision was to remove this pump and buy new one. Of course, will be not the same, like a spare parts, another company. Oh shit! How to remove this nut right now? Ay ay ay! This is This is beautiful engineering. Beautiful. Oh.
We got this.
Yeah. Rock and roll.
Rock and roll, baby.
Oh yeah. Be gently. Please be gently. Okay. Alright. Before you remove the pump, you can clean from the top by air, but we didn't do it because we are in a rush. Of course, we try to go somewhere and do some job, but right now
Gasket is
we
in
have
good condition.
another job, which is our beautiful pump. On the left side we have an old pump which is broken. It looks like this pump you can buy without this cover, without this small vessel. Here you have a potentiometer, let's say gauge level. Yes, 2 wires and pump. If you have more motivation than me, you can just remove and buy and change this pump. Only this. The price will be much less than completely. So we have new pump here. It looks like that. Also the same. Yeah, so we're gonna install right now this pump. Okay guys, so we will try to install this pump. This is old gasket, looks is good, very soft, not hard, so we will install the gasket in. New pump. No, maybe we can install first on pump. On pump. Oh yes, much easier. Oh yes, pump is in. Pump is in. I don't know where is the. Oh, it's here. Okay. Maybe later on I will disconnect. Not. How you can see, it's not so much space.
Maybe cable is blocking the nut.
Again, it's wrong. This is real life. This is real life. This is not so easy, you see. No space, no nothing. Peuqeot technology. Peuqeot technology. How to fix? How to fix Peuqeot? You need pills for stress, and maybe you can avoid some damage. Oh my gosh, beautiful, beautiful. Maybe I have to again remove this pump and check how it's not working in. Okay. Okay.
Let's go.
Okay guys, I installed right now the pump, but I had a problem with the nut. Very hard is to install this nut on the place. I used my hand without gloves, so I cut my hand also about this edge, about these corners. So right now I use the nice gloves and I install it by hand and very easy press the nut, and later on by screwdrivers around here like that, you know. Right now I'm planning to, it's almost tight, I'm planning to install the hoses in, hoses in. Okay, one is in, second one is also in. This is not in yet. It is. Okay, so I will show you guys how to tie it. Just a moment. Oh, I can see with two screwdriver. Very good idea to have another colleague which can help you tie this pump, because this is pain in the ass. It's pain in the ass. I was thinking that this is maybe 10 minutes job to install the pump and not, but actually it's easier to remove than put back. Okay guys, so we have to only connect the plug in and make the test, and maybe we'll start.
Okay.